Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify and evaluate the given problem 2023 factorial divided by 2022 factorial plus 2021 factorial. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's talk about factorials first. Factorial is denoted by this exclamation sign. Now let me go ahead and give you a couple of examples. Let's talk about 7 factorial. 7 factorial could be written as 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Likewise, 4 factorial could be written as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now let's focus on this 7 factorial once again. We can write this 7 factorial as 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. We can stop it over here. And if we want to stop at 3, then we can write this thing as 7 factorial could be written as 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 with the factorial sign. And now let's focus on this numerator first. 2023 factorial could be written as 2023 times 2022 times 2021 factorial. We just stopped it at 2021 factorial. Divided by, let's focus on now 2022 factorial. We can write this one as 2022 times 2021 factorial. We are going to stop it over here, and then plus I am going to just copy this one down as it is. I'm going to write down 2021 factorial. And now let's focus on this whole denominator. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and manipulate this part 2021 factorial. This could be written as 1 times 2021 factorial, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see 2021 factorial and this 2021 factorial, they are in common. So therefore, I am going to factor 2021 factorial outside, and then I'm going to write down this part 2022 plus, and then this part as well over here. And now inside this parentheses, 2022 plus 1 is going to give us 2023, as you can see in this next step. So therefore, we can replace this whole denominator part by this simplified one. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this denominator by this simplified form, as you can see in the denominator. And now we can see this 2023 is gone with this 2023, and this 2021 factorial is gone with this 2021 factorial. So we are only left with the 2022. So therefore, our simplified answer turns out to be 2022, and that's our answer. And here's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.